This is Brian from iWire, and this is our DCCD Pro plug-and-play kit. I'm going to show you the basics of the different options that are involved. Our first step is our standard plug-and-play kit. It includes the jumper harness to get from the DCCD Pro out to the transmission, as well as e-brake and throttle position connections. The next step is that all kits will come with a trans adapter, so this is assuming you have a car with a manual trans originally. If you happen to purchase a DCCD Pro or other controller not from us, at minimum you'll want to buy this. It is the easiest way to get started. This will convert your old trans plug to the new trans plug on the 6-speed with a split out for power and the 2 signal wires that will tie into the standard plug-and-play kit. With all plug-and-play kits, you'll also get our new G sensor mount. It's a snap fit for the G sensor, so no more epoxy, duct tape, zip ties, you name it. It has 3 mounting spots, so depending on the car you have, you can use one of the 3 and cut off the other 2. As far as control type, you can use the standard DCCD Pro supplied controls. They will come with the kit. You will need to make a hole in the dash or center console for one of these. Our most common option is the control type, the OEM control type for 04 to 07 US STIs. You'll see them in some JDM STIs as well, but these will fit in the factory coin slots. And they plug into the harness, just like that. And the last type is the side drive control unit. This is a different model. This would be more like an 08 Plus. You can modify your center console to utilize this. The side drive button doesn't work, but it uses the OEM control types for a nice clean look. And the last option is in terms of gauge cluster. So if you have up to 07 gauge cluster, we can utilize our standard plug and play kit for any older gauge cluster. 08 Plus models, you'll probably opt for the LED inside this little snap fit. It's also a new part we have to install the LED strips, is a snap fit part that goes in the back. So it's a plug and play clean solution. We also have inserts for older cars like 02 to 07 WRX, as well as 93 to 01 Impreza. And that's the basics of our kit.